In this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote this one product using 100% free traffic and start generating anywhere from $50 to up to $300 in Clickbank commissions. And I'm not just talking this as a hype. I am saying this because it's proven people are making thousands of dollars in commissions promoting only this one product. And this product is converting extremely good with this free traffic source. And I'm going to provide you with proof and show you how people are making money like this. And you can create your own successful Clickbank business using this free traffic source. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you something very, very special for you to even boost your commissions and income using this platform. So stay tuned, because at the end of the video I have some great news for you, and I am going to give you something so special that could potentially change everything for you. So if you have been stuck in one place and thinking, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, people are making money, I'm not making money, why is it that, what's going on? This one thing that I'm about to give you will change everything for you. So stay tuned, okay? Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. I am here to help you. I want to show you what's working right now. I have been in this business for over a decade. My training has helped thousands of people make money online. So if you're someone that's ready to make real money online, what you need to do is just smash that subscribe button, click the share button, give me a thumbs up, and if you have questions, just leave a comment. So let's dive into this, okay? This is a product called the smoothie diet, okay? Now it pays up to $21 in commissions. Now this product is converting very, very good, okay, with this one free traffic source. Now remember, you need to understand, don't reinvent the wheels. Do what is already working and you will make money. The problem with people is that they try to reinvent the wheel. They try something new and they say, I'm going to give it a test drive, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it my way. They don't make money and then they give up. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is look what other people are doing, and if you see that everyone is doing it, it's working, you do the same. Okay, so what I'm about to teach you in this video is something that works, something that's changing life, that's making autopilot affiliate commissions every single day, okay? Anywhere from $20, $50, $100 and up to $300 days people are seeing, okay? Using 100% free traffic, so you have no more excuse. Yes, it's going to take time. Yes, it's going to require a lot of effort in the beginning. You need to put that effort. Why are you scared to put effort in? Okay, you need to put some effort with full self-esteem, confidence, and believing that this works, and it's proven. Okay, so this is a product on Clickbank. So if I just go to Clickbank, you can see I've just typed in the search bar 21-day smoothie diet. Okay, which is this product here, okay? The 21-day smoothie diet program, okay? It gives you all about how to lose weight, how to go on to dieting, how to and they're giving you so many bonus packs as well. So you can see here, bonus 1, bonus 2. It's got some before and after images. It's got a very, very attractive and high converting sales page, and it's converting very, very good. Okay, there's no doubt in that. You know why? And it's converting very good. Now, not every offer converts with every traffic source. You need to understand that as well. This is another number 2 rule that you need to install into yourself. Not every offer converts with every traffic source. Now, I'm about to share the traffic source that this offer is converting very, very good. Okay, but that's because it's converting with this traffic source does not mean that this will convert with other traffic sources. All right, so you need to understand that. Now, which is the traffic source that this converts with? Okay, before I share the traffic source, let me share the reason why this is converting very, very good. Number 1, it's got a sales video. Number 2, it's got a money back guarantee. Number 3, it's got proof images that this works. Number 4, that person who's speaking in this video is explaining everything, okay, in details, telling you what you're going to get, what to expect in the members area. All right, he's not hiding anything. All right, and then everything, and he's giving extra bonuses as well. And as you know, one of the biggest problem people are having in these days is losing weight. Okay, it's one of those things that nearly every third person is looking for a solution to go on to diet or go on to exercise or lose weight or do some kind of dieting. So it's a very high competition. This niche has a very high competition, and there's so much money to be made if you do it the right way. Okay, so now what I'm going to show is the Clickbank. Let's look at the gravity score for this. Okay, so when you come to the Clickbank, you could see the gravity score of this is 88.6. Okay, now if you just hover your mouse on gravity, it explains what this means: a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales over the past 90 days. Right now, you need to understand one thing, okay, that you could see the initially sale is $20.57. Okay, and then this is the new Clickbank affiliate dashboard that they're sharing. Okay, and you could see here, if you could read this, it explains a bit more cool stuff about this product. All right, you go to the sales page. You could see the affiliate page is providing with affiliate tools for you to promote this product. So when you make money, he makes money. All right, so he's doing a very good job here. Okay, and then you could just take your affiliate link and start promoting. Now the traffic source that this offer is converting is called Instagram. Okay, so check this out: Instagram traffic, free traffic source. You're not paying anything. What are you waiting for? Why are you not taking any action? All right, but wait a moment, I've got something very special for you. All right, that's going to answer all your questions. What you need to do, you need to first create a free Instagram account. That's number one. Number two, what you need to do is you need to create an Instagram account specifically targeting this product. So you can see this one person is targeting this product. So the Instagram username is official.smoothie-diet. Okay, it's got a profile image, it's got 53,000 followers. Then you can see here 21-day smoothie slim detox, and then it's talking about this. And if I click on this, you can see promoting 2 different products. Now I don't recommend promoting 2 different products because your person is going to get confused, and confused minds never takes action. Okay, so I recommend sticking to that one product and just focusing on that one product. So you can see this product is the smoothie diet, the 21-day smoothie diet program. It's the Clickbank offer that this person is promoting, and then this is another product related to belly fat. Okay, it's a weight loss program, and this is a Clickbank product as well. All right, so we don't want to look into that anyway. So it's a smoothie diet. I would recommend sticking to one product. This person is doing 2 different products, just in case if the person's not interested in 21-day diet, might go for the belly fat. But the thing is that most of the time when you get confused and you're just thinking, which one shall I buy? Shall I buy this or shall I buy that? The person doesn't buy anyone. Okay, so you can see here this guy is posting every single day, and you can create these free images using Canva. You can see here the interaction that people are getting. Okay, and you can see that this person is making probably a lot of money. That's why this person is doing it. Okay, and this is just one account example. I could give you example after example of people promoting this one product using the free traffic. Now remember the rule: just because this offer is converting with this traffic source does not mean that it's going to convert with other traffic sources. So bear in mind with that. Okay, now you're probably asking yourself, hey, what about, but then I need this smoothie diet, I create an Instagram account, first I need to get followers, I need to do all these posts, where should I get the posts, where should I get the followers, what should I do this, what should I do that? I've got a very special offer for you. Okay, a very special offer for you. Would you like to change your Instagram account into an autopilot money machine? Would you like to make daily sales and commissions using your Instagram account? Okay, let me share. Okay, you can go and buy this product. I'm gonna have the link in my description box below this video. Okay, you could check the description box. I'm gonna have the link in my comment section box below this video as well, and the link is popping up right on your screen right now. You could go to this website address, okay, and purchase this product. This product is going to potentially change everything for you related to Instagram. Okay, this product is created by a person who's making 6 figures in commissions using social media. One of them is Instagram. Instagram is the main following for this person, all right? And you can purchase this product. This product is going to give you everything. Okay, when I say everything, I mean everything. It's going to change everything for you. You're going to get a lot of cool bonuses with this product as well. You're going to get about to 6 bonuses, and one of the biggest bonus you're going to get is you're going to get the resale license to this product as well, which means once you purchase this product, you're going to get the sales funnel done for you. You're going to get the landing page done for you. You're going to get the whole business system for you to integrate for free. That's right, you could do it for free and start selling this as your own product and earn 100% commissions on this. Okay, so you're not just getting the training with this whole thing about Instagram, how to build your followers, how to turn your Instagram account into an autopilot money machine, how to do this, how to do, not just that, you're actually getting a complete DFY done for you, business in a box, where you're going to get this high converting sales funnel, sales pages, thank you pages, course training, members area, all done for you. Once you purchase this, you get to not just access this, but actually it's your own business. And through the training video, which is, I guess it's in the 6th module or the 7th module, where we're going to teach you how to take this whole thing done for you, ready-made, install it on a free platform. Okay, you could do the paid platform as well. There's a paid platform in this as well, but you could use a free platform and install this and start using this and start selling this as your own product and earn 100% profit, 100% commission. And this is a bonus. Okay, so you're not just getting all the training videos on how to promote and how to make money with Instagram, how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, how to get thousands of followers, how to build a real solid internet business using Instagram. You're not just getting that, but you're actually getting this complete DFY business in a box as well, with the same exact sales page, sales funnel, thank you page and course, like it's your own product. You have a course to sell. It's your own course. You get to sell this and you get to earn 100% profit. So if you're interested in purchasing this, link in my description box below this video, link in the comment section box as well, and link popping up on the screen. If you have a question, just leave a comment. I thought I will get this out to you. It's a very good program, very good system. I've been through the whole training. I've been through not the whole training, 97% of the training. I've still got about 3-4 videos left, and I have loved this course. So far, it's been a very, very good course, all about Instagram and how to build a solid income business using your Instagram account. Okay, now you could see there's a timer here as well, so you could just follow along. Okay, if you want to, you could watch this video. This video will explain you a lot about what this is all about, and you can get this course and you can get all the bonuses. So if you scroll down, you can see the bonuses as well, and there you go, the master resale rights license. This is going to be your own product to earn 100% profit. So we're not just giving you a product that's going to teach you how to turn your Instagram account into a money machine, but actually you're going to get a DFY business in a box. Okay, and not just that, you're also going to get the sales system, and you're going to get so many other cool bonuses as well. So if you want this, link in my description box below this video. Check it out. I'm 100% sure you're not going to be disappointed.